Hello and welcome back. I'm doing a quick video of a room tour. I'm in London. What is this hotel called?
Comfort Suites.
Comfort Suites Hotel in London. I really liked it. It was a really nice layout, and I thought I would show you guys. Okay, hold on. Let's flip this around. Okay, so you walk in. There's like a little kitchenette and a little Minerva going into the fridge here. Then it is the bathroom right off of here. Bathroom etiquette, guys. Put your dirty towels in the tub. It makes it easier for the cleaning staff. Make sure you clean up after yourself. Hello. And I love that it has a door that takes you to the bedroom, which is awesome. But we're gonna go this way first. Out here, you have a closet to store all your things. You have a little desk to put all your stuff. Containerize your trash. That is hotel etiquette before you leave. Then there is a living room section, a nice couch, a little bench, seating, television, and then look at these awesome French doors that just takes you into the bedroom, and a little hanging rack so you can hang up your coat, and then you can check out your outfit. This is my outfit. I have this bandeau top from H&M. I got, I want to say 10 years ago. This cardigan, probably also from H&M. Not Levi's, I don't know. Jeans and Minerva. The Tory Burch bag also I've had for a very long time, and my Converse shoes that I wear all the time. Very nice. Okay, and then this is the bedroom, which I like. There's two, I'm gonna say they're double beds. I think they say they're queen, but they're not queen, they're double beds. We took all the beddings off and popped them there. That just guarantees that your rooms are clean for the next person around. And I always worry about the next person going to use the bedrooms. But yeah, they have really good pillows. They're really comfy. Choice Hilton, nice. But they're very comfy pillows. I really like them. The bedding's really nice. The hotel is very clean. They had really comfy comforters. And they also had a TV here, which is great. And a wardrobe unit on this side as well, which is great. And then that's the door that leads you to the bathroom. But really, really amazing suite. I recommend staying here if you're looking for a fun little hotel. But yeah, Minerva, do you recommend? She's holding pudding. Is that your pudding, Alice?
That's my pudding. Honestly, better than the energy drink.
Okay, awesome. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We can say bye-bye? Bye. Bye. All right, guys. Bye. I don't know why I'm saying bye to the mirror. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, these are YSL glasses. I usually wear my other glasses, but I thought I'd wear these today. And my standard jewelry. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And Comfort Suites in London, Ontario. Bye. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.